Ever feel like your digital life is a bit messy? Emails scattered, passwords misplaced, and your Acorns account linked to an email you barely use anymore? You're not alone. Managing our online presence can be a real headache, and sometimes, even simple things like changing your Acorns email can feel like navigating a labyrinth. But what if I told you it's actually pretty straightforward? In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how to change your Acorns email, step by step, so you can reclaim control of your inbox and keep your financial information organized. Now, before we dive in, let's talk a little bit about why you might want to change your Acorns email in the first place. There are a few common reasons. Maybe you've switched email providers, like finally ditching that old college email address. Or perhaps you're consolidating your online accounts and want to use a single, dedicated email for all things finance. Maybe you've even experienced some spam issues with your current email and want to create a fresh start. Whatever your reason, it's important to keep your Acorns email up to date, not just for convenience, but also for security. Think about it, your Acorns account holds sensitive financial information. Having access to that account tied to an email you no longer use or check regularly is a security risk. So, changing your email is a proactive step towards protecting your hard-earned money. Okay, enough preamble. Let's get down to the actual process. Changing your Acorns email can be done either through the Acorns mobile app, which is super convenient, or through their website on a computer. We'll cover both methods, starting with the mobile app. First, grab your phone and open the Acorns app. Make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main screen, look for the profile icon. It's usually located in the bottom right corner, but the exact location might vary slightly depending on your phone's operating system and the app version. Tap on that profile icon. This will take you to your profile settings. Now, within your profile settings, you need to find the settings option. It might be labeled just settings, or perhaps account settings, or something similar. Just look for the option that generally refers to managing your account details. Tap on settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll see a list of different options. Scroll down a bit until you find something related to personal information, account information, or just email. Again, the exact wording may differ slightly, but it should be fairly obvious. Tap on that option. Here, you should see your current email address displayed. Next to it, there should be an option to edit or change it. It might be a button that says Edit, or a pencil icon, or even just a field where you can directly tap to change the email. Tap on that Edit option. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Make sure you double-check for any typos. Accuracy is key here. Once you've entered the new email, you'll likely need to confirm it. Acorns might send a verification email to your new email address. This is a crucial security step. Go to your new email inbox, find the verification email from Acorns, and click on the verification link. This confirms that you actually own the new email address and prevents anyone else from changing your Acorns email without your permission. After you've verified your new email, the change should be reflected in your Acorns account. You might need to log out and back in for the change to take full effect, but that's usually not necessary. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Acorns email using the mobile app. Now, let's move on to how to change your Acorns email using their website on a computer. The process is very similar, but the layout is slightly different. Open your web browser and go to the Acorns website. Log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for your name or profile icon. It's typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. A drop-down menu should appear. In that drop-down menu, look for Settings or Account Settings. Click on it. This will take you to your account settings page. On the settings page, you'll find various options related to your account. Look for a section related to personal information, contact information, or just email. Click on it. You should now see your current email address displayed. There should be an option to edit or change it, similar to the mobile app. It might be a button that says Edit, a pencil icon, or a field you can directly edit. Click on the Edit option. Enter your new email address, making sure it's accurate. Double-check for any spelling errors. After entering the new email, you'll need to confirm it. Acorns will send a verification email to your new email address. Go to your new email inbox, find the verification email from Acorns, and click on the verification link. This is the same crucial security step we talked about earlier. Once you've verified your new email, the change will be reflected in your Acorns account. Again, you might need to log out and back in, but it's usually not required. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Acorns email using the website. See? It's not as complicated as it might seem at first. Whether you're using the mobile app or the website, the process is pretty straightforward. The key is to pay attention to the prompts and make sure you verify your new email address. This verification step is absolutely essential for security. It ensures that only you can change your Acorns email and protects your account from unauthorized access. Now, before we wrap up, let me give you a quick tip. After you've changed your Acorns email, it's a good idea to update your login information on any devices or apps where you've saved your Acorns login credentials. This will prevent any login issues in the future. So, to recap, changing your Acorns email is a simple but important step in managing your online finances. It helps you keep your information organized, improves security, and makes it easier to access your account. Whether you prefer the convenience of the mobile app or the larger screen of the website, the process is essentially the same. Just remember to double-check your new email address for accuracy and always verify it through the link Acorns sends. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.